Yes, my people, right? You're hearing out here. Show the way I go on my farm, you know. The man will pass some big pig, you know. Yeah, man. Out here, my people, up and running. Talk to my people. That's your want food. Yes, my people, are right. You're hearing out here. You know, now I could be today. I have used some pigs, you know. Yeah, man. Red pig. Yeah. I like a camera too, you know. I have a black and white pig. Yeah, man, I have a white pig, same way I do in the corner, cozy itself. My cool out, you know. But out here, my people, Royal Ural up and running. So here's again, see next nice one. Yeah, man. Some nice pigs, you know. Out here, my people, Royal Ural up and running. Man, they wanna come back in. Just have picnic, you know. Now they wanna eat. They wanna get pregnant. Some youngster here running so youngster here. Royal Ural up and running, my people. See them there. Yeah, man. What if our pigs in our place? Yeah, man. Pigs, bunch of our pigs, my people. See it here, my people. Some young piglets here. I mean, a young piglets here, in my opinion. Yeah, I mean, up and running, Royal Ural out here. Yeah, man, so I search to my people out here, live in living colours, you know. I show you how I go on, what I go on, same way. Yeah, man.